Hey guys, Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. If we are already chat family, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate all of your support. You guys, this is a quick tutorial. It's actually a re-upload, and I'm re-uploading it because I put it up a couple months ago and I only got about 30 something views, and yet I still continue to see all these bots in everybody's chat. So let me put you all up on some game real quick. If you are tired of the bots overrunning your chats in either your live streams or your premieres, all you have to do is take a look at this short video and literally go back into your YouTube studio and on your settings, put it on subscriber only mode. You can set the time frame for 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 24 hours, however long you like, but this is going to eliminate the bots from being able to literally spam your chat and keep your moderators hustling to delete. This will fix the problem, and it's going to make people subscribe to your channel. Now, of course, it's our job to keep you interested enough to stay subscribed, but at least your chat will stay clean. I hope you guys appreciate. Drop down in the comments below and let me know. Hey guys, Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. Really quick, guys. I am hopping on really quick just to talk about this new feature that is available in your YouTube studio. So let me just show you. If you are one who streams directly from YouTube and not from a third-party streaming app such as StreamYard, Restream, Prism, or one of the other ones. If you come back here into your studio, you'll see the edit off over to the right. Then over here under the edit settings, you'll see the details, live chat, live redirect, and monetization. Under your live chat, you'll tap here, then you'll scroll on over, you'll check that box. Here you will see you have participant modes. This is a game changer, especially if you are one who gets trolled heavily. Here is where you can your G1, only people who are subscribed to you, or members only. Guys, you can actually select the participant modes that you want to participate in your live streams. It makes it an easier job on your keep your chat nice and clean, free of any trolling and unnecessary going on in your chat. All right, y'all, I'm Pandi of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. Just hopping on real quick to share that little bit of information with you guys. I hope you all find it useful. Drop down in the comments below and let me know what's on. Alrighty guys, so that pretty much concludes the re-upload in the tutorial. I apologize for the buffering. You guys know when you record in StreamYard, it can be a little bit sketchy, but I wanted you guys to see the visual. So I want to thank you. I hope that this video helped you all, because I know how annoying it is to be trying to host a live stream or a premiere and then you got all these bots coming in. Your people can't really enjoy the actual content because you're so busy trying to get these bots and trolls up out of your stream. So this was the purpose of this video, and this is why this is just one of the perks that I try to share with my channel members who are also content creators, because there's different things that someone like myself might know, or you may know that I don't know, or vice versa. And we can kind of just pass that information along to help one another in a way of cross-supporting to be able to thrive and flourish. And yes, it's a very small gesture, but what may be small to me may be larger to you. What may be small to you may be larger to me. You know what I'm saying? And it's just a way of looking out for my fellow content creators, because when I tell you, I cannot stand them bots. I cannot stand when I forget to change it and put it on subscriber only mode. And this will really help, and I've seen such a massive improvement. And before anyone posts in my comments this question, well, what about people that are not subscribed that may want to watch the video? This doesn't prevent people from watching your video. It literally just prevents them from being able to comment. And if they are impacted enough and enjoy your content enough that they do want to follow up and drop a comment, they will go ahead and subscribe. So thank you for watching.